In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find songs by instrument on artlist.io. If you're working on a project that calls for a specific sound, maybe a warm piano, a bright acoustic guitar, or a modern synth, this quick workflow will help you zero in on exactly what you need without scrolling endlessly. Start by opening artlist.io in your browser and signing in. You'll see the Sign In option near the top of the page. Use your account credentials and give the site a moment to load your library and preferences. If the interface looks slightly different from what you're used to, don't worry. Platforms update their layout from time to time, but the steps you'll follow remain the same. Once you're signed in, you're ready to browse. Next, head to the music catalog. You'll typically find it in the main navigation. Make sure you're in the music section rather than sound effects or footage, because the filters we're about to use are designed for the song library. The catalog view is where all of Artlist's tracks are organized and ready to be filtered. Look to the sidebar for filters. This is where you can refine your search by things like mood, genre, and most importantly, for today, instrument. On desktop, the sidebar is usually on the left. On mobile, you might need to tap a Filters button to open it. Find the instrument filter and expand it so you can see the available options. Now, select one or more instruments to shape your results. You can choose classics like piano or guitar, or go modern with synth. If you're going for a cinematic feel, strings or brass might be the right call. You can select multiple instruments to narrow your search. Piano plus strings for a delicate underscore, or guitar plus drums for something more rhythmic. If there's a search field within the instrument filter, type a few letters to jump right to what you need. And if the results feel too tight or too broad, simply add or remove instruments to adjust the scope. With your instruments selected, the list of songs will refresh to show only tracks that feature those sounds. Take a moment to scan the titles, artists, and any visible tags to get a sense of the tone and style. Watch how the results shift as you refine your instrument picks, and pay attention to combinations that consistently surface the right vibe. If your first selection isn't quite right, tweak the filter until the list aligns with your creative direction. And that's it. By signing in, opening the music catalog, using the instrument filter, and choosing the sounds you want, you'll quickly find songs that match your vision on Artlist.